So value, instead of emphasize, I use the word optimize, so that OEM is something that you can remember well. So we have to see the value, we have to differentiate value from the waste, and you need to eliminate the waste. So if you see this picture, this iceberg is used in different contexts, right? So you need special eyes to see waste. If you see, waste is like iceberg, because in iceberg, only 1/7 of it is visible, and remaining portion is under the water. So in order to see this type of waste, you need special eyes to see this waste. So if you see the levels of continuous improvement that we are going to talk about, one is called as a known waste. It is a just to do it type of ideas. In many companies, we have seen that causes are also known, solutions are also known, you just have to do it, okay? Causes are also known, solutions are also known, you just have to do it. So this is called the JDI type of sessions. Okay, these are all done by ad hoc individuals. This will give you small benefits and total employee involvement. Then we start doing process level improvements initiated by those process teams, which will give moderate benefits. And then we can go through this Kaizen projects, lean projects, which is breakthrough level type of improvements, which is aligned to the strategic objectives of the organizations, which is initiated by the management, of course, done by the teams only. And we have a large benefit.